that can't be found among the young, where you're settled and you're safe in your own skin. You might not see it in the movies, but you know it's real because every wrinkle tells the story of the places you have been. Countless ocean hours forming freckles on your face, wildflowers that will only bloom.
Parang mababang energy. Alright, everybody, hi! Hello! Everyone, and welcome here at Anta Avenue and Events Place. This is gonna be the 90th birthday celebration of Tatay Andoy! Laguna, and before anything else, folks, so I'd like to introduce myself as your MC sa inyong kahit anong occasion. So maraming salamat po for always trusting me for this big event. So my name is Marky Millar, and I'm a proud member of Salt and Light, professional host here in Laguna. And of course, I was a former Jollibee manager. Thanks everybody for gracing this very momentous occasion.
Freckles on your face, wildflowers that will only bloom with age. Learning how to love who you are along the way. You're growing older and more beautiful each day. Like a priceless work of art, a patina that will never fade away. You are made of love and memories, softer body, stronger heart. All the moments you've collected are what brought you here today, and you would never ever trade those ocean hours forming freckles.
To the one and only Tatay Andoy!
You are along the way. You're growing older and more beautiful.
Dear Lord, as we gather here today to celebrate the 90th birthday of Tatay, we all together raise our voices for giving Tatay to all of us as a blessing. Maging malakas siya at ma-enjoy namin yung presence niya sa pamilya.
And more beautiful, you're growing older and more beautiful. There's a certain kind of beauty that can't be found.
So, we're glad, no, at mahabang pang bibigay ng buhay sa inyo ng Panginoon. So I declare in the name of Jesus.
Ay mahaba pa yung maraming buhay. Upang magpayin mo kami, yung mga pamilya. Diyos ko, hindi ako sa inyo lakas na inyong ang buhay ng kasama para po sa aming mga pamilya.
Flowers that will only bloom with age. Learning how to love who you are along the way. You're growing older and more beautiful each day. If you feel a little tired, it's because you've come so far, and your eyes reflect the grace you have received. Oh, you made it through the fire. It's what made you who you are. Now it shines like strands of silver, and it feels like being free. Countless ocean hours forming freckles on your face, wildflowers that will only bloom with age. Learning how to love who you are along the way. You're growing older and more beautiful each day. And more beautiful, growing older. tapestry, like a priceless work of art, a patina that will never fade away. You are made of love and memories, softer body, stronger heart. All the moments you've collected are what brought you here today, and you would never ever trade those ocean hours, forming freckles on your face, wildflowers.
Happy birthday to you! Make it over! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Tatay, in behalf of my siblings, I would like to thank everybody for gracing the birthday of my father. Napakaswerte po namin na nakasama namin ng mahabang panahon. Hindi nakaka-experience na gano'n. So, we're very, very, very blessed. Bonus na po sa aming magkakapatid. Hindi lang po sa aming mga magulang na nakaabot ng ganitong edad. Even for us, children, bonus na po sa amin na hanggang ngayon, kapiling pa po namin sila. Sabi ko nga sa mga kamag-anak ko, kahit anong hirap, idadaos ko to. Postpone lahat ng birthday, matuloy lang ang birthday ni tatay kasi gusto ko makita nila at makausap nila si tatay ng buhay. Hindi yung magkikita-kita kami na hindi maganda yung sitwasyon. So, I guess, maligaya si tatay at si inay, nagkita-kita silang magkakamag-anak kahit talagang uhugod-hugod na talagang effort yung pagdalo. So, I'm really, really very happy for them na nakarating lahat. Maraming salamat po sa Yes Family. Without them, malaki pong tulong sila sa akin. Si Marky, who guided everything, the program. And yung mga suppliers po like the Gray Lights and Sound, our mobile Tipsy Gorilla, and our catering, Maki Arevalo. I hope this will not be the last time that we will see each other. There will be more years of celebration with my father and my mother. Thank you very much. Maraming pong salamat sa pagdalo ninyong lahat. Thank you.
Pagkukulang namin, sana pagpasensyahan nyo na. At sana marami pong panahon na makasama namin kayo. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo ang nanay at ang tatay. Marami pong salamat.
Ako po ang pangatlong anak. Marami po siguro sa inyo hindi nakakakilala sa akin kasi po iba ang circle of friends ko kaysa sa mga kapatid ko. At ako ang parang lumalabas po na black sheep sa family. Dahil lahat ng kapatid ko ay walang bisyo. Lahat ng bisyo nila kinuha ko na. Ako po ay na 19 years na nagdo-Dubai kaya hindi niyo ako palagi nakikita dito. Ako po ay umuwi ay para lang talaga sa birthday ng tatay ko. Actually, I was supposed to go home last April to attend ng 40th year ng high school reunion namin. But then again, I had to cancel that when my father requested my presence. So, happy birthday. Yan lang.
Yung nasa bahay, nakasama nila. Yung iba kong kapatid, mga nakahiwalay na. So, alam niyo naman kung gaano namin kayo kamahal. Wish ko lang sa inyo, Tay, long life. Pagkalooban pa kayo ni God ng mas matagal pang buhay para mas magabayan niyo po kami. Ganon din po ang inay. We love you very much, Tay. Happy birthday po.
You're growing older and more beautiful. You're growing older and more beautiful. You're growing older and more beautiful. Who you are.
Okay, ako, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. At kayo ay abala sa araw na ito dahil sa kaya puso, maraming pasalamat sa inyong lahat. Ganun din sa ating mahal na Panginoon, walang kataputang hanggang pasalamat ang ating dilim sa ating Panginoon.